Last week on JM Exploring, we started the week at one of our favourite locations yet, Noosa Heads. We then continued on to Inskip Point and Rainbow Beach to wait out the busy long weekend, visiting the incredible Carlo Sandblow while we were there. Now we get to go to Fraser.
We are almost at that point where everybody gets a bit stuck. I'm
so nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous. So I've got like this weird adrenaline rush.
Because you've been watching videos of hundreds of other people getting stuck here all week.
Alrighty, I'm pulled over. We're gonna let the tyres down, lock the hubs in, and let's go. Go. How cool. Made it. Piece of piss, mate. Oh yeah, how funny is this? So I was airing down the tyres and a guy comes up and he goes, mate, didn't even let my tyres down, 45 PSI. Couldn't believe it, but he was a good bloke. Oh yeah, the guy wants your ticket. Good?
Thank you.
Thanks, mate.
Made it.
Oh yeah, we're on Fraser, baby. Alright, safely to camp. First impressions.
You're trying to grab me? You keep trying to grab me.
First impressions. It's bloody awesome. It's wicked, eh?
Yeah.
This is like nothing we've ever seen before.
Beat WA beaches.
We've been travelling along and we've been saying, well, WA beaches haven't been beaten yet, but this is just something else.
Yeah, it's completely
this
different.
Is good.
The rain clouds you might be able to see over there are starting to come in.
The clouds are coming.
But not going to let that stop me. I'm still on an island, so I'm going to make the most of my time on an island.
Get some fishing done. I'm actually going to try and do some drone fishing. If I'm allowed, I've got to research that first. But I'm going to get the drone up, get some fishing done. See how fast the cars go. Look at that. 80 kilometres an hour. So yeah, bit of sun. But yeah, it's looking good so far. We've set up camp. It's only 2 o'clock, so we're gonna go and I don't know what we're gonna go spot a dingo.
Oh yeah, I think today we'll probably just relax, and then tomorrow we've got a pretty big day of driving and exploring. When I was planning everything out, all the places I wanted to go see, I didn't realise how big it was here. So
yeah, the island's bigger than you think it is.
I think tomorrow's gonna be a few activities packed in there, but I think it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be good. On another note, 4-wheel drive worked. The drive shaft didn't give way, so we're pretty lucky in that department. I haven't even looked at it yet, but I think it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Let's just hope it stays that way.
security stick to shoo away the dingoes. There's so many big like danger signs around here. It's freaked him out a little bit.
Yeah, we're in the worst time mating.
We made it to Eli Creek. We actually parked on
way
the beach
down there
and went for a massive walk because we've come here at high tide, so we couldn't cross. But it's been a really cool walk, and it looks like we've got the place to ourselves at the moment because everyone's sort of just waiting to cross.
Yep.
Once the tide goes down. So.
And the water.
Being good walkers has paid off again.
The water is clear, like they say. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm so surprised. It's so beautiful.
How good's that? Even though it's a bit cloudy, I think we just got lucky with blue sky above us at the moment.
Every time the sun comes out, it feels so nice, and then as soon as it goes behind a cloud, it's freezing, and the wind is like not in our favour today. But still awesome.
Oh, those people crossed the creek.
Oh, they did?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's promising.
All right, well, we're going to check this creek out, and then we're going to head back and cross Eli Creek. Sorry, we're going to cross Eli Creek.
Or is it Ellie?
Ellie, Eli, who knows?
E-L-I.
I'm sorry. All right, check this out.
but it is still high tide, so I think we've got a little while to wait until we can go any further north to our campsite.
There's like 50 cars all banked up, so we've got a bit of a waiting game happening. But the weather's not too bad actually, considering it's meant to be thunderstorms and raining. So let's hope this tide goes down soon, eh? Alrighty, I've come for a bit of a look down here, and it's not the tide we're waiting for, it is multiple people that are bogged. I walked up there and the sand is next level soft. I'm worried for the Troopy, should be okay, but everybody seems to be getting bogged, so my anxiety level is next level. So many people. So we just got to wait a little bit longer and we're almost there.
Oh God.
It's not that big. Just stay in the car. Ready?
Oh God, oh God, oh God.
Piece of piss! Oh, maybe not.
No.
Yes! Go to the Troopy!
Oh my gosh.
We've done it.
That was like
Yes!
2 hours of stress.
Oh mate, I've never had so much anxiety. We got through, baby! Yeah! We have finally made it to Sandy Cape, and oh my god, as soon as you come around the corner, hey, it is just like something we've never seen before.
Turns into 100% paradise. No waves.
Look at that.
The wind stopped.
It's amazing,
It's
eh?
just completely flat, completely bloody bright blue.
Yeah, the
It's
wind
crazy.
just stopped. It just stopped, hey, out of nowhere.
It's insane.
It's pretty insane. And I reckon on a sunny day, that water would be amazing.
Oh yeah. It's
But it
like,
looks amazing now.
we've only got that bit of blue sky coming through, and it's like,
Incredible.
it's almost like Esperance waters.
Yep. I cannot get over it. So I'm going to do a bit of drone fishing, see if we can catch a fish for dinner.
Oh, that would be good.
I'm going to keep positive. I'm going to catch a fish for dinner. So I've got to rig it up and hope for the best.